Good. So you can see that he's a little bit off centre with his pelvis, which is often his problem. Much bigger gap on the right arm, his right arm, than on the left, and the hand is overhanging the body. So we're looking at the head, and he's a little bit still forward. So the ear should be in line with the middle of the shoulder here. So you can see that it's forward from there, right? Okay. So when you're coming up, your scapula is coming up here, meaning you're a little bit, it has the mirror of course, but you're a little bit restricted in your shoulder. But you don't find any trouble with this? You
no.
Any trouble?
But
you are, yeah.
Before I was getting
your
much
legs are
more.
a bit short, so the shoulder is a bit forward.
I'm feeling it because I know my posture is not right, because my muscles are stiff and contracted. They're not released. So I know that I'm like,
yeah,
I'm tight everywhere.
You know that everything is not working as it should be. Always a little bit stuck in there and here. But the rest of it is pretty good. From here to here, you're okay. The pelvis is a bit out of line. You've got one or two fixations in your thoracic spine here. Good. Good?
Yeah.
I'm going to put your head down a wee bit like this one. Okay, nice big breath in, and pull your leg. Good, okay. Little bit on the pelvis to give a little bit of feedback, proprioception to the brain, okay? And then we're going to do it here. Right, so. Painless, right?
Yeah, no pain at all.
Good. Perfect. Now we're going to sacroiliac joints. Good. Very good. Shoulder is more forward than that one.
Really?
Yeah. So this is obviously coming there over your...
It makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense. But anyway, the pelvis was a little bit fixed on one side, so that we've corrected. Now we need to look at this. Yeah, so this one is rolling forward more, and if we don't sort it out, he could later have problems with frozen shoulder or impingement syndrome or injuries on that side because of this side being more forward than this side. Bit of pain there?
Yep.
Yeah, okay, so that's your bicep tendon. Okay, you okay there?
I'm good, I can resist, no problem.
Okay, good. So this is a little bit sore. See what happens. Okay, come back up. So it's quite painful, huh?
A little bit, yes.
After just doing a little bit of work on his subscapular muscle, you can see now that the left shoulder is more level with the right. So now what we've done now is we have treated his subscapular muscle, so we can see that now the shoulder that was coming forward and giving him this appearance of his hand covering the leg on the left side is now much better. So what we need to concentrate on is a little bit making sure that this left shoulder and the right shoulder, even the back muscles, are properly developed, and making sure that this subscapular muscle is free and doesn't roll the shoulder forward all the time. Has it felt fine?
So far, yes.
No particular problems, huh?
No.
Good. We're just going to adjust you at the top so that you'll be able to do the cervical rehabilitation exercises better.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, let's bring you over to this side and just relax. Very nice, good. And just very good. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Some people are scared. I'm not scared of this. I like it.
Yeah, I know.
Some people are really scared.
I know, I don't know why they're scared. Well, I suppose they watch too much television,
Yeah.
you know? They
think that...
They think I'm going to do something like that, but of course,
Put it to
it's
sleep.
very controlled, as you can see.
It's fantastic.
Good. Okay, good.